Did you know this simple life hack can save you time every day? Watch this clever trick stop a leaking hose in seconds. Just a spoon and a little creativity. There are countless everyday problems that can be solved with simple tools, practical thinking, and a little creativity. Sometimes the smartest solutions aren't expensive gadgets, they're clever tricks using things you already have at home.